Climb inside the 2015 Chevrolet City Express. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. Chevrolet prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, and cruise control. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 2 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Please don't hesitate to give us a call